Hi, book friends. This book is called Over the River and Through the Wood. Come along on a snowy trip to Grandma's house for a big family feast. Let's open the book. Are you ready? Let's begin. Over the river and through the wood, to Grandmother's house we go. The horse knows the way to carry the sleigh through the white and drifted snow. Wow, I would love to travel by sleigh. Over the river and through the wood, to Grandmother's house away. Wow, they see so many animals on their way. The beavers, the rabbits. We would not stop for doll or top, for 'tis Thanksgiving Day. Ooh, they have somewhere to be. And there's more animals. A moose, a baby moose. Ooh, wow, look at that river. It's frozen solid. Over the river and through the wood. Oh, how the wind does blow. Oh, it does look a little windy. It stings the toes and bites the nose as over the ground we go. Over the river and through the wood and straight through the barnyard gate. Do you see the gate? I think they're getting close. We seem to go extremely slow. It is so hard to wait. Over the river and through the wood. Do you see? Is that Grandma's house? I think so. And all the little animals have followed them. When Grandmother sees us come, she will say, "Oh dear, the children are here. Bring a pie for everyone." Pie. I love pie. Did you see the kitty? It's sleeping. It looks so warm in there, doesn't it? Over the river and through the wood, now Grandmother's cap I spy. Do you see Grandmother's cap right there? Yes. Hurrah for the fun! Is the pudding done? Hurrah for the pumpkin pie! My favorite, with whipped cream. Do you see all the pumpkin pies they have? Yummy! And the animals are so happy. Happy Thanksgiving! Oh, and now they're eating together with the animals. Look at that spread. Wow, what a beautiful table. There goes Grandmother and Grandfather, the whole family. I think I would have some pie first, and then some turkey, and some veggies, of course. Aww, and that's the end of this beautiful book, Over the River and Through the Wood. I'm gonna clap. Can you clap with me? Oh, family and togetherness makes every journey joyful. That's right. Happy Thanksgiving, book friends. Bye-bye.